Hey everybody, it's Mike from Chili Pepper Madness. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, sweet little spicy snack that you basically can't make without chili peppers, and that is cowboy candy or candied jalapeno peppers. They're nice and spicy because I add a little bit of chili powder to it and some other seasonings, and it's nice and sweet because they're candied. And they're super addictive. They're great as a little snack, but they're also great for topping things, and we'll talk about that later. But for now, let's show you how to make it. All right, so when you're chopping your jalapeno peppers, what you really want to do is slice them into about maybe between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch. You don't want to cut them too thick, otherwise you won't be able to really get the sugars absorbed into the peppers. But if you do want thicker ones, let's say you want a good 1/2 inch, like a real thick candied pepper, you'll just want to cook them longer in the overall sugar solution, and it'll probably work out just fine. But thinner's better, like this. So for the candying solution, what we're really using here is just sugar and apple cider vinegar. And I'm also adding in a few other seasonings. I have some turmeric, some ginger, and some spicy chili powder that I like to use. But realistically, you can use pretty much any kind of seasoning that you want. So if you wanted like a bit of salt in there, or maybe some garlic flavoring, or sweeter like cinnamon, you can totally include that in your mix. So it's up to whatever your preference is. Extra spicy for me, please. All right, so what do you do with your candied jalapeno peppers? Well, they're actually great as a snack by themselves. You can just pop them right in your mouth for a nice, spicy, sweet snack right out of the jar. Or they're actually great for topping things like pies, cakes, cupcakes. Some people like to eat them with cream cheese on a cracker with a candied pepper on top. Delicious. But I like to use cornbread. I made some jalapeno cornbread here, and it's crazy delicious. Honestly, just get some on here. Oh, baby. It's gonna be crazy delicious, and I love cornbread with candied peppers on it, candied jalapenos. Delicious. All right, guys, once your cowboy candy, your candied jalapenos are done, you can go ahead and ladle them into these ball jars and make sure they're cleaned. And just, keep them nice and tightly sealed, and you can keep them in the refrigerator for a good 3 months or so. Or you can go ahead and process them in a water bath, just do a hot pack, and you can then store them in your pantry for a good year or so until you're ready to use them. Super easy to preserve, and they're great. They last a long time. Delicious. All right, I'm going in for the cornbread. Oh my God, I cut it way too huge. Dude, cornbread with candied jalapenos, I just can't beat it. It's good.